Video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Honda Ridgeline if the battery's dead. Alright, so jump starting these things is kind of tricky. So I'll show you. Your battery's down here under all this plastic stuff right here. And what you want to do is remove that little plastic cover, the positive connection. It has the plus sign on it. I'll just set it up there. I'm going to be using the Noco Boost Pro GB 150 box. You can get this in the tagged products down in the description. You just want to take your positive and your negative. So slippery up here. So you take your red jumper cable, put it on here and try to get a good bite on there, and then take your negative, and back here in the back where the brake booster bolt is, you can connect the ground, the black cable, to that back there, and that'll give you a good ground. See this box? It won't read anything if it's not connected, and it's showing we're at 10 volts. We'll go ahead and turn the box on, and we'll try to start it. Okay, you can start it now. She had enough power to turn the lights on, but just not enough to get the engine to turn over. So there you go. That's how to connect it properly. Negative back there. I mean, you could take all this plastic off right here to get down to the negative, but it's way easier just to go back there and connect it to that. And turn the power off. Disconnect our cables, and that's it. Pretty simple and easy. Like I said, if you want one of these jump boxes, you can get one in the tagged products down in the description, or you can use a set of jumper cables or something like that as well. Just positive, red to red, and black to black. There you go. That's how to jump start your Honda Ridgeline. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please drop me a comment down below and let me know. And get one of these jump boxes. They come in handy. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.